Zen Studio, gentle yoga for stress relief and anxiety. For the practice today, all you need is one yoga mat and yourself. When you're ready, I'll see you on the yoga mat. Let's get started by sitting on top of your yoga mat with your legs crossed, hands by your knees, either palms up or down. From here, eyes closed. One deep breath in and deep breath out. Eyes closed. For the next inhalation, reach up your right hand up and put it at the left ear. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, pull your head towards the right side. Keep breathing in. And breathe out, drop your left shoulder down. Keep breathing here. And to deepen the practice, extend your left hand down, fingertips touching the ground. You can feel the left side of your neck getting longer and longer. Stay here for a few more breaths. Inhalation. Exhale. Breathe in to energize the body. Breathe out to soothe your nerve system. As you get deeper in the practice, you feel your mind getting relaxed, your body getting relaxed. Soften the face, soften the muscles. About one more deep breath in and deep breath out. Next inhalation, come back to center. Reach up your right hands on your knees, and you may shake your neck left and right to feel the difference from the left side and the right side. Now when you're ready, let's work on the other side. Extend the left arms up, now palms on your ear, and slowly pull your head towards the left side this time. Inhalation. As you exhale, drop the right shoulder down to create more space. Taking your time to notice the change of your body. To deepen the practice, extend the right hand, fingertips down on the ground, so you fully open the right side of your neck. Stay here for about 6 to 8 breaths. Let your mind settle and getting deeper and deeper. Breathe in and breathe out. All the problems, all the worries, breathe out. Just be here at this moment. Open the body. Release the physical tensions. For one more deep breath in and deep breath out. Bring yourself back to center. Release your left hand, hands on your knees. Again, shake your head left and right to feel the tensions. Let it go. Now interlace the fingers. Bring the palms at the back of your head. Inhalation, open up the body. As you exhale, bring the elbow close to each other and send your head down all the way. Breathing in and breathe out. You start to feel the opening at the back of your neck. Deep breath in, deep breath out, adding more pressures on the back of your head to allow the back neck to extend for a little bit more. And the rest is to breathe. And we stay here for about 6 to 8 breaths. Close your eyes for deeper relaxations. Keep your breath nice, long, and steady. Stay here for about 2 more long, deep breaths. For the next inhalation, slowly bring yourself back. Release the hands, straighten, flexing your wrists. Imagine you are pushing 2 walls against you. Now release your hands back to neutral sitting posture. For the next exercise, readjust your sitting posture and curl your hands under. Keep walking your hands forward. Inhalation. Exhalation. Keep walking. In this posture, maintain your hips on the ground and maintain your fingertips crawling under the ground. We stay here for about 10 breaths in total. Inhalation. Exhalation. Stay or adjust the posture. You may go further or you may stay there as long as you feel comfort and relaxed. Feel the armpits stretching as well. Settle your mind. For the next inhalation, head up and start to walk your hands towards the left side. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, walk your hands forward. Keep your eyes closed and enjoy the rest of the time. Listen to the sound of your breaths. It's like the sound of the ocean as you breathe in, as you breathe out. No judgment, and be where you are with yourself, your body, and your mind. One more inhalation and exhalation. Gently head up, walk your hands back to center, and walk back towards your body. Now change your leg the other way round. Hands by your knees. Let's work on the other side. Start to walk your hands forward, curling your fingertips under, keeping your hips on the ground. Allow yourself to fully open your back. and to breathe. Stay here for about 3 more long, deep breaths. Feel your body getting softer. Feel your mind getting softer. At your next inhalation, head up and walk your hands towards the right side. Fingertips under and gently fold forward. Once you're settled, you close your eyes and bring yourself back into deep breathings. Taking this quiet, peaceful moment to reconnect yourself to your mind and to your body. And notice that sometimes you need to empty the mind in order to clear space for new inspirations. So deep breath in for the fresh airs and ideas. Deep breath out for anything that doesn't serve you anymore. About 3 more deep breaths here. Getting softer and softer. In your next inhalation, head up and walk your hands back to center and walk back towards your body. Hands on your knees, readjust the posture, now back to neutral before the final practice. Moving into the next exercise, straighten both legs out, shake the tensions out. From here, bend the right leg in as close as possible to your torso and drop your knees down. Try to bring your right foot on top of your left thigh. And if this is too hard for you, you can keep your right foot on the ground. So after you decided your options, let's get ready. Inhale, reach up the hands. Exhale, land your hands on the ground and you try to walk your hands forward. Breathing in and breathe out. Slowly walk your hands. You may stay at any point that you feel good. And the rest is to close your eyes and breathe. So remember, you don't have to go all the way down. Just rest your hands or your elbow on the ground and let your body naturally move into the posture. We stay here for about 10 deep breaths. In each exhalation, stay or adjust in the posture. You don't go way too further when your body sending you a message that is way too far. So you need to listen to the body. and you breathe. Almost there. Next inhalation, head up, walk your hands back, extend your right leg out, and shake the legs again. Now bend the left leg in, hug that close, drop the left knees down. Again, pick your options. Your left foot either on the ground or on your right thigh. After you decided your options, inhale, hands up. Exhale, land your hands on the ground, adjust the posture. And from there, you start to walk your hands. Any points that you don't feel like going further, you stay. And the rest is to breathe. The body relaxed, the mind relaxed. We stay here for about 10 more deep breaths. No stress. Soften. Deep inhalation. Long exhalations. For about 5 more breaths. All you have to do is just to breathe. No worries, no stress. At this present moment here. At your next inhalation, walk your hands back. Release your left leg and shake the legs, tensions out. Bring the legs in, back to our neutral posture, sitting meditation. Hands on your knees, palms up or down. Eyes closed. Scan through your body. For more free tutorials in the future, remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell for latest updates. I hope you enjoy the practice.